سورہ فاتحہ۔ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaitan, devil. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises are due to Allah, owner of all the worlds. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim, guide us to the straight path. Siratal lazina an'amta alayhim, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin, not of those who incurred your anger, nor those who have gone astray. Ameen.